In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can earn money from your social media. So earning money is not happened immediately. You need to give in some time, long time for free value. So thereafter you can get some money. You can get your substantial income. So therefore you need to have some social media. B Here is a couple of apps I put on my folder. It's I keep name is B and dot dot dot. It's mean business. So if I tap on there, it's a some social media. Some people thought that it's a time wasting apps. No, it's my business app. So if I click on first of all Twitter or X right now, so here is a my profile, and I created that a couple of days ago. So here I just post I will manage your social media empire. I have done a lot of social media course, as well as I have couple of year experience. I'll make you earn money from your social media. So if you want me, contact with me in this Gmail. So if I get client, I will work immediately. I'm I, I teaching you freely now, so you need to keeping attention. So here is another. I will provide all of YouTube growing service such as A to Z for growing your YouTube business. My service is video editing, scripting, thumbnail, voiceover, SEO, research, etc. So I'm not all of thing do perfectly, but if I get client, this client and that client if pay me $50, I do hire I will to hire cheaper guy who doing work for my client at $5. So I keep I will keep money from my client $50, and I will keep that $5 to cheaper guy. So $45 is mine. Boom. I'm profit $45. So it's a business. So no one share with you freely that. So I will provide all of you to growing. So you can provide what you are expert, who is part of expert you in online. You can provide that. You can provide ad, Facebook ad, Instagram ad, YouTube ad, Google ad, all of ad. So what you can just provide this service here. So yeah, Twitter gone right now, and next is a Discord. If I go my Discord, and here is a couple of option. I'm DM on person who is America from. I talk with him. I will manage your social media empire. Same, I just copy here. I just paste here. So I will manage your social media empire. I have done a lot of social media course, as well as, yeah, same. I'm just paste here. And here we see Sims, who is in online right now. I message him. So here is a couple of a Discord server like YouTube. Here you can just give an service. So yeah, here is my post. One post I will provide. Yeah, one post I will post each day. All of social media like YouTube, I will publish my video on video each day. I do that same with other social media for my growing my business. And here is a couple of options, and Fincher who is a editor. So here you can job self promo, you can do that here. So you can post here. I do that. I can able to do that. I can edit video editing. I can edit video. I can design thumbnail, all of things. You can self promo, you can do that self promo here. So this kind of Discord server you can join and immediately post your what you can do, and you can get client, you can make money from them. So Discord is gone, Twitter and Discord gone, Instagram. So you can same with that Instagram. I DM some people here. So I DM like, hey entrepreneur, I will manage your social media empire. I have done a lot of social media course, as well as I have couple of experience. You can send this type of message, um, just copy and paste here. So same way, and you need to post here like that. I will post each day. So it's my latest post. You will get time and financial freedom if you get me, if you get me for posting, for publishing a social media post. If you have YouTube, I will manage your YouTube. So, and that's it. Instagram gone, and thereafter is a Facebook. So if you go your Facebook profile, here you can see same profile picture and same post, my latest post. This is all of them, all of them you can do from a social media. Social media means not wasting time. It's a business. It's, you can make whatever you want to social media. You can make social media whatever way you. It's a social media is doing work according to algorithm. They are all algorithm. If you search any type of video that it was, if you search sports type of video, YouTube algorithm provide you sports type of video. So Facebook is gone right now. TikTok. So if I go TikTok, so here you can see my profile, and here I just post same kind of video. So like it's my latest post. As you know, you will get yeah, marketing type of song I add here. Here is my caption. I want social media. So if you post all of social media, you can get client immediately. Here is my YouTube. So YouTube is something like, if I go my if I go my uh, channel, so here you can see my channel video that I post on TikTok. I just take that and post here immediately. So you can do that, just repurpose. It's not wasting time. So gone. Just take 30 minutes for posting all of video. And I do some Snapchat. I don't see you that, and I'm sometimes do Gmail for other people. How you get Gmail? So if you go Facebook and go in search bar and search here like shop. Okay, I'm doing wrong. Shop. So shop, here you need to go paste, and if you want to any kind of countries shop like United, if I search United Arab Emirates, so I search that immediately, and here is a Dubai paste. You just click on first on, and here is the Dubai shop.com gmail.com. It's going you immediately Gmail. And what's your subject? Like grow your business. Okay, I'm freely see you how to do that on mobile business. So here you write, hey, um I'm blah 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 blah. I can do that for you. I can do that for you. That for you. And blah blah blah. Boom. Sucks. Just tap on there. Gone. Your email is gone. So email gone. And LinkedIn, you can post on LinkedIn. A lot of social media have, you can try all of them and you can get client. So if you haven't any skill, no problem, you just hire people and take in money. Take money, how to take other people money. So take money and hire cheaper people and give money him, and take work and give your client and profit some money. it's a business. So yeah, that's it. I need to go right now market for selling product. So today I record my video at morning, so I have some time, therefore I have curated my video at morning. So yeah, that's it. I need to go market for selling product. See you until that. Happy hunting.